Welcome viewers, welcome to the new video where we will discuss about the Apple's new update 15.2. And let's see, and we'll go to general, we'll go to software update, and we'll wait. So here we come. We have this new update for our iPad, iPhones and everything. So this is Apple's 15.2, and this is a big update, I tell you. They have lots of new things coming up. So one of the first thing is Apple Music voice plan. So that will work exactly like your Alexa works with Amazon Music. You can search music, ask Siri to play music, whatever you like on your listening history and everything. There are few bug fixes also they have done, and there is an app privacy report program where you can access which app is accessing what things on your iPhone, iPad or anything. They will tell you a full report of what each app accessing your data, and other bug fixes for iPad. If you want to, we can go to learn more, and it will show you all the things which I just said. The Apple Voice Music Plan new subscription, Siri, and then app privacy report to see how apps are accessing your location, photos, camera, contacts and everything. And then you have your email masking feature and other stuff. We'll go through it. Let's install the update. Download and install. Since this is a big update, it will take its own sweet time. So till the time it installs, let's go and find out what is the update about. And as you can see, the new Apple update is available even for iPhone 6s, and that's a good thing I like about Apple. They are still supporting the iPhone 6s. That's like a 7-8 years product up there, and I still have that phone and that works perfectly fine. I bet no Android phone can match this year of longevity, and no Android phone of that era will be getting the latest update of Android. That I'm pretty sure of. So so digital legacy allows you to designate people as legacy contacts, so that okay, this is one more big feature Apple has launched this time. So in the case of death, there was no way your family members or anyone could access your Apple devices, and it was a really bad thing. Even if they wanted to enter, they had to go to court and everything. Now Apple has introduced a legacy account, so you can designate one or more people as your legacy contact, so that in case of your death, they will be able to access your personal information from your iCloud account and everything. The third thing which mention is TV app. So they have basically, I'm not a fan of Apple TV app, I tell you, but yeah, it looks like they have combined buying and renting movies and everything at one place. And other things is which are big updates to Apple Notes. So they have to access quick note lower left, and you can, that will hide. And one other interesting feature is hide my email option, available now for iPod Club Plus users. We'll see. And there are some bug fixes they have mentioned for specifically for iPad, and which they have fixed of Siri, ProRAW photos, and calendar events for Microsoft Exchange users. We'll wait till the update starts. So as you can see, our iPad is now updated to iOS 15.2. And here we are. Let's go to settings, battery, privacy, location. So now here we have this, and this is called, so here is the new thing called app privacy report, and we'll go here. So this is the new update we got, And here, if you can see, Apple shows how often your app use the permission you have granted. So like if you have granted you permission, your app permission to location, it will track everything. So let's turn on the privacy report, and it says everything will appear here, that we can go and check later on. So guys, like this, I don't have the Apple Music plan, so that I can to show you what how does Siri works with Apple Music, but I can assure you it works as similar as Alexa works with your Amazon Music. Privacy app report we have already showed you. That will log in. So messages. So now you can enable warnings for your children when if they receive some kind of nudity photos and everything. The software will automatically track and give it. And now you have expanded search in Siri. So if in unsafe situation, it will Siri will help you. Legacy contacts we already talked about. In case of your death, if you have assigned any legacy contact, it will help that contact to access your iCloud data if you want to access. Now this is the big update everyone was thinking of asking about: macro photo control in the new iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So earlier, if you want to click a macro photo, if you go close to an object, it will automatically switch to macro mode, and it will not allow. There was no option to switch on or switch off the macro mode on your iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, which was kind of a con, or when you're recording a video and do not want the close object to be focused. So that will show in the 13 Pro. So now let's check in iPhone 13 Pro Max how the new feature works. So as you can see, this is updated to 15.2. Now let's go to camera app and see if it is working or not. I'll go to the photo mode and try to see if that flower icon comes or not. Okay, closing in, but it's not coming in. So let's go to camera settings and let's see what new we have. Okay, so now we have one macro control here, so basically which will show the things. So we have turned it on, and if you go close now, okay, now you can see the macro button icon is coming. So if you turn it off, it will not go into the macro mode. Basically it will not use the third camera, and if you keep it on, it will basically focus on the close objects. It can be very helpful in video mode. TV app we have already talked. So now they are enhanced city map in Apple Maps, medians, bike lanes, and a crosswalk. And hide my email feature for iCloud Plus users, so you can hide your email while sending emails. Find my can locate iPhone for up to 5 hours when power is off. That's a great thing. Stock allows you to view the currency for a ticker and see year-to-date performance when viewing chart. This is for the people using Stocks app. And reminder notes now allow you to delete or rename tags. So now you can use tags in the notes. That's it. Wallet. COVID-19 vaccination card support allows you to add and present. Oh, that's a nice one. So you can save your COVID-19 certificate in the Apple Wallet app. We'll have to see how this works. This is a great feature. So now Chinese is also supported. A new automation trigger on the current trading HomeKit. Okay, now I think we have new games with Siri. We'll have to see. There are a few fixes also. Photos app may incorrectly storage is full when importing photos. Okay, this is I never faced it. Weather app may not show current temperature for my location, may display colors of animated backgrounds. Maybe. Audio playing from nap may pause when locking the screen. Good for people who faced it. Okay. available Wi-Fi may not be detected. That's one.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get the latest updates and videos from our channel. Thank you very much, everyone.